What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, my job running John K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Hey, man, what's going on? All right, everybody, here we go. We back at it, man. It's we about 10 days, 7 8 days into the challenge, man. 100 days to 100K challenge. You see it, it's right there. Look, man, for those who don't know, this is an entrepreneur, real estate, everything business related, grinding, motivational type of channel. Subscribe, click the link, man. Turn on the notifications because what we're doing here, we're empowering those in this community to better themselves, to inspire and motivate, and hopefully make money in the process. There's no hope to it. We're going to do it if you follow the steps, you follow the tools, you utilize the tools, and you begin to change that narrative that a lot of us have been accustomed to growing up. So stay tuned, man, and I'll share this video with somebody who can definitely use it. But we're 7 to 8 days into the challenge. Hopefully you've already begun to accumulate some leads. If you haven't, go back and check out the videos. We got a couple different resources where you can actually subscribe, begin to build that pipeline, get some leads in, get some skip tracing going, and begin to utilize the cold calling techniques. Just making cold calls, man. You're gonna fumble your way through it. Don't be afraid. You gotta make mistakes, with any type of new venture, with any type of business, hands down, with any type of new endeavor, you're gonna make mistakes. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. So, uh, might have skipped over that in previous videos, but you have to definitely get comfortable being uncomfortable because you're doing something new. This might be your first time talking to people you got to get familiar with. You're gonna stumble your way through it, but don't give up, man. Because at the end of the day, the end of the challenge, you would definitely begin to see the progress if you just keep trucking along, keep going, keep moving forward. So definitely don't become stagnant. Every day you should be doing something different, and building those repeatable habits. So, uh, you know, grab the leads, whether that be driving for dollars at your local RIA, real estate investing meetups, utilize social media, don't just utilize the information I have. There's plenty of other people out there, get a good ground based knowledge of, you know, for yourself. Everybody has different techniques and different methods of teaching. You might gravitate to some, but I can tell you here, I've done it. I've done hundreds and hundreds upon hundreds of wholesale deals, fix and flips, man. I've done it all. I don't know everything. I'll be the first one to tell you that, but if you follow the methods and apply them, you would definitely get a check in this business. I've done it plenty of times over. So, cold calling, skip tracing, networking. Doesn't get no bigger than that. Go back, check out some of my videos I've done where I'm actually on the phone, cold calling, talking to people, just getting familiar, man. It's probably several videos where I'm just talking to sellers, and you can just got to kind of listen to them. It's recorded. You can listen to the conversations just to get yourself familiar and uh, scroll YouTube, look for cold calling techniques. This is a learning. Like you should definitely dedicate 3 to 4 hours per day going into this endeavor. Don't just think that you're just going to scale from newbie to experience without dedicating that time. 10,000 hours, man, you got to get them in, repeatable habits, getting familiar with failing, get familiar with failing because it's going to happen. I can spot a newbie, just from the first couple minutes of the conversation. So the person you're talking to, they're going to know, like, hey, you know, what is this person talking about? But walk yourself through it. Continue to build off of those key moments. Record yourself. Listen to yourself. I do it. I got hundreds, thousands of phone calls where I'm always going back, listening, trying to critique things, and that's just part of making yourself better. So um, utilize the software. Utilize the free free tools out there. You know, it's a link in the video where you can go, you can pull data, you can skip trace, you can do all these things. And for those of you who got a budget, you got, you know, obviously a different uh, tools at your disposal, but utilize them. Keep going. Don't give up. We're only 7 days in. We got a long way to go, man. And hopefully you'll find some value. Let's get this money. It's your boy, my job running John K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. 7 days in, y'all. 93 to go. 10 deals, 10K each. That's it. That's all it takes. You know, fail your way forward, man. We gonna keep rolling. We gonna keep going, and I'll see y'all at the next one.